What is up everyone, D22 here, and today, buckle up because your video creation world is about to get a serious upgrade. I'm talking about something truly game-changing, something that's going to blow your minds, especially if you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated editing software or just wished you could whip up awesome videos faster. CapCut, the editing app we already love, has just dropped an absolute bombshell, a 100% free AI video maker. Yes, you heard that right, completely free, packed with AI power that's going to revolutionize how you make content. This isn't just some basic tool, guys. We're talking about an AI that can take your simple commands, your scripts, even just a vague idea and turn it into a polished, ready-to-go video. Whether you're a total beginner who's never touched editing software in your life, or a seasoned pro looking to speed up your workflow and unlock new creative avenues, this AI is designed for you. Imagine typing out a concept and watching the AI bring it to life with visuals, voiceovers, and music. It's like having a creative assistant working for you 24/7, and it's seriously impressive. So in today's video, we're diving deep. I'm going to walk you through everything this incredible new CapCut AI video maker can do. We'll explore its features, how to get started, and how you can use it to create stunning videos with minimal effort. Get ready to have your perceptions of video editing completely shattered, because this is the future, and it's accessible to everyone right now. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about what makes this CapCut AI so incredibly powerful. It's not just one little feature, it's an entire ecosystem, an all-in-one creative hub designed to streamline your entire video production process from start to finish. Think about it. Normally you might need one tool for script writing, another for finding stock footage, maybe a separate app for voiceovers, and then a complex editor to piece it all together. But CapCut's AI video maker changes all of that. This tool empowers you to generate pretty much everything you need, all within one single intuitive platform. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. D22, this sounds amazing, but I've never edited a video in my life. All this AI talk sounds complicated, and to that I say, worry no more. One of the most incredible things about CapCut's AI video maker is that absolutely no prior video editing experience is needed. Seriously, none. They've designed this from the ground up to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical skill level. If you can type a message or describe an idea, you have all the qualifications you need to start creating awesome videos with this tool. It's all about breaking down those barriers that have traditionally kept people away from video creation. The workflow is where this simplicity truly shines. It's almost laughably easy, in the best way possible. You basically start by inputting a prompt, an idea, or even a full script if you have one. You tell the AI what you want your video to be about, maybe the style you're going for or the key message you want to convey. Then you hit go, and the AI gets to work. Okay, are you hyped yet? Ready to jump in and experience this AI magic for yourself? Awesome. Getting started with CapCut's AI video maker is super straightforward, but there are a couple of quick things to make sure you've got sorted. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure you have the latest version of the CapCut desktop app. While CapCut is amazing on mobile and web, the desktop app is where you'll often find the most comprehensive suite of features, especially these new AI power tools. So, head over to the official CapCut website, grab the download for your Mac or Windows machine, and get it installed. It's a quick process, and totally worth it for what's waiting inside. Once you've got the latest CapCut desktop app installed and fired up, the next step is to log in. Alright, so you've clicked Start with Script, and now you're face-to-face with CapCut's AI Dream Team, a suite of 6 powerful tools designed to tackle different aspects of video creation. Let's briefly introduce these powerhouses so you know what you're working with. First up, you've got the online video editor. Next in the lineup, and a real star of the show, is Instant AI Video. Then there's Avatar Video, which is super cool. Moving on, we have Brainstorm with AI. Then there's Match Media, a super smart tool whose purpose is to intelligently find and suggest stock media. And finally, rounding out our AI Dream Team is AI Video Remake. Let's dive a little deeper into one of the most exciting features, Instant AI Video. This is the tool that truly embodies the script to screen in a flash promise. And honestly, it's where a lot of the initial wow factor comes from. The core function, as we've touched on, is its incredible ability to take a written script, whether you've typed it out yourself or had the AI help you generate one, and transform it into a fully fledged video. Imagine just pasting your blog post, your video idea, or your product description into CapCut and watching it come to life visually. It's a paradigm shift for content creation, especially for those who are more comfortable with writing than with the visual aspects of video production. But it's not just about dumping text in and getting a generic video out. Now, while the Instant AI video feature is incredible for getting a full video generated quickly, what if you want to tweak things a bit? What if a particular scene isn't quite right, or you have a specific shot in mind? That's where the scene editor comes into play. Think of this as your control panel for refining and perfecting the video that the AI has initially created. It's all about giving you that granular control after the initial broad strokes have been painted by the AI, ensuring the final product truly aligns with your vision. This is crucial because, as smart as AI is, sometimes a human touch is needed for those final polishes. One of the coolest aspects of the scene editor is its ability to let you replace or trim footage by simply describing the scenes. Having a great script and accurate captions is absolutely fundamental to a successful video. Your script is the backbone of your message, and captions make your content accessible and more engaging for a wider audience. So, what happens if, after the AI has done its initial work, you spot a typo in the script, want to rephrase a sentence, or need to adjust the timing of your captions? Well, CapCut's AI Video Maker understands the importance of this flexibility and provides robust tools for editing both your scripts and captions directly within the platform, even after they've been processed by the AI. This is all about giving you total control over the narrative and textual elements of your video. Let's talk about editing scripts first. Now let's talk about adding that extra layer of polish and engagement to your videos with minimal effort. CapCut is rolling out a feature, currently in beta so it's still evolving, called AI Edit and Music. The name itself hints at its convenience, the idea of achieving significant enhancements with just a single click or very minimal input. This is for those times when you want to quickly elevate your video's production value without spending ages manually searching for music, adding effects, or placing stickers. It's all about smart automation to make your videos more dynamic and captivating. One of the primary functions of this AI edit and music feature is, naturally, adding music. Finding the right background music can be a real challenge. It needs to match the mood, the pacing, and of course, be royalty-free if you're publishing online. Alright, this next point is huge, and it's something that often trips people up when they're looking at free video editing tools. We're talking about export quality and those dreaded watermarks. You spend all this time creating an amazing video, only to find out that the free version slaps a giant logo across your work, or limits you to a super low resolution. It's frustrating, right? Well, get ready for some seriously good news because CapCut's AI Video Maker handles this like an absolute champion, even on its free tier. This is a massive win for creators everywhere. Prepare to be impressed. You can export your AI-crafted videos in stunning 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Chapter 10. Bring your AI presenter to life avatar magic. Let's talk about one of the most futuristic and frankly super cool features within CapCut's AI arsenal, the AI avatar video feature. This is where things start to feel like we're living in the future of content creation. Imagine being able to create videos with a presenter, a host, or a narrator without ever having to step in front of the camera yourself or hire an actor. That's exactly what AI avatars allow you to do. It's an incredible tool for a variety of video types, from educational content and corporate training to social media updates and product explainers. Chapter 11. Remix Reality AI Video. Remake. Next up on our tour of CapCut's AI magic is the AI Video Remake feature. This tool is all about taking existing structures and breathing new life into them with your own content, super quickly and easily. Think of it as having a library of professional video templates that you can instantly customize without needing any complex editing skills. It's perfect for creating engaging, short-form content for social media, quick informational snippets, or any situation where you need a polished look based on a proven format, but with your unique information. So what kind of templates are we talking about? CapCut will likely offer a variety, but common examples include things like news report templates, where you can create a professional-looking news segment with your own headlines and stories. Every creator at some point hits that dreaded wall. The blank page, the empty timeline, the what on earth do I make a video about today moment. Coming up with fresh ideas and structuring them into compelling scripts can be one of the toughest parts of content creation. But what if you had an AI assistant dedicated to helping you break through those creative blocks? That's precisely what CapCut's Brainstorm with AI feature aims to do. It's designed to be your creative spark, helping you generate ideas, develop concepts, and even outline entire video scripts. This tool often utilizes visual methods like mind maps to help you explore and organize your thoughts. You might start by inputting a general topic or a keyword that you're interested in. Sometimes you just need to get a video out fast. You've got your raw footage, maybe a rough script or voiceover, but you don't have hours to spend meticulously piecing it all together, adding transitions and syncing everything perfectly. This is where CapCut's one-click edit feature comes in as an absolute lifesaver. The name itself tells you a lot. It's designed to be the ultimate shortcut, taking a lot of the manual labor out of the editing process and delivering a polished result with minimal intervention from your side. It's all about maximum impact with minimum effort. So, how does this one-click edit magic actually work? Essentially, you provide the AI with your core assets, your video clips, images, and potentially your script or voiceover audio. One of the fantastic things about CapCut, and by extension its AI video maker tools, is its incredible versatility when it comes to platform accessibility. You're not just tied to one device or one way of working. You can harness the power of CapCut's AI on your desktop, through a web browser, or even on your mobile device. This multi-platform availability means you can create, edit, and share your AI-powered videos wherever you are, and on whichever device is most convenient for you at that moment. It's all about making these powerful tools fit seamlessly into your workflow, no matter what that looks like. The desktop version of CapCut is often the most feature-rich and powerful. And there you have it, everyone. A deep dive into the absolutely incredible 100% free AI video maker from CapCut. We've covered so much today, from generating entire videos from scripts and creating AI avatars, to effortlessly brainstorming ideas and exporting in stunning 4K without watermarks. It's truly a revolutionary suite of tools that puts the power of advanced video creation into everyone's hands, regardless of your experience or budget. The future of video editing is here, and it's more accessible and exciting than ever before. I am genuinely blown away by what CapCut is offering here, and I know so many of you are going to create some absolutely mind-blowing content with these AI features. So, if you found this video helpful, if you're as excited as I am about this, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, drop a comment down below, letting me know which AI feature you're most pumped to try out. And of course, share this video with anyone you know who creates content or wants to start. Let's spread the word about this awesome free tool. Don't forget, the CapCut AI Video Maker is available across multiple platforms. You can get the feature-rich desktop app, use the lightweight web version, or create on the go with the portable mobile app. So there's really no excuse not to jump in and start experimenting. Download it, play around with the tools, and unleash your creativity. I can't wait to see what you all make. Thanks so much for watching. I'm D22, and I'll catch you in the next one.